But do you know how many leads you have from trade shows? Oh, yes, we have we get 50 business cards. And from these business cards, how many become client? Well, we don't know. And this is what's crazy right now. I really think, you should go to these trade shows. You should go. That's definitely like the way to go to get leads. But for bigger companies, sometimes they spend what? I don't know, in your company, how much do you spend to go to a trade show when you send a team there? Like a few dozens of thousands, 50,000 euro?
I would say much more.
Much more. You see, when you have, and what I find crazy is when you spend 50,000 euro to go on these trade shows and lots of people there, but you don't spend at least 5,000 euro in digital marketing in parallel. Because you go there and you have no idea how it went. You just have to rely to the gut feeling of, how much champagne you had and how much good chats you had with other people. That's how you rely on it. And it's part of the business. But if you spend 5,000 euro extra in digital marketing, then with these 5,000 euro, you can raise awareness in your brand with digital campaigns. You can target people that goes to that event before the trade show, during the trade show, even in that location, with Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads. You can help them to know about your brand, share content they'll be interested, get their email address, then retarget them and have them to book an appointment with you, and they come super hot.
Want to get more advice from Gilles Toussaint? Listen to his full interview on the Don't Waste Water podcast.